Yeah, I see you walking with the phone in your hand. A Pidgey you are stalking, don't you know that's so bland? You should see my Pokédex, I'm level 24. You can shoot me a text once you got a Venusaur.
I'm a beast trainer, and those are the facts. They say I'm insane, but you're lazy as a Snorlax. I bet you're so proud. You took that gym in town. Well, don't be so loud, cause your gym is going down.
Pokemon, gotta go outside. See the Pokéstops near me. Pokemon, oh, my battery's low, and my 3G is too slow. Pokemon, gotta go outside. So cool, but the servers won't pull through. You have insects and lures. Pokemon, gotta go outside. Gotta go outside.
Look at that loser.
Is she trying to catch a Pidgey right now?
This place is a gym.
We're gonna take